Oof. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna show you how to make some jerk salmon, okay? All right. Okay, you guys, so here's some of the ingredients that you are going to need for this recipe, okay? You're gonna need some soya sauce, okay? Obviously, you're gonna need the jerk seasoning. In this container, I have oregano. I have sea salt here, some basil. You can use browning. If you don't have browning in your local market, you don't have to get browning, but that's what I have. If you guys have Lawry's, you're definitely gonna need some Lawry's. Ooh, black pepper. You're gonna need on hand, and also, oh good, this is heavy. You're gonna want to get some honey, okay? Oh, last thing. You're gonna need a container of lemon juice, okay? So I only had like maybe one lemon left, so that's all the juice I could get out of it, okay? Okay. Okay, you guys, so obviously you're gonna need salmon as well, okay? Now, in this container that has lemon juice, oh, forgot, use gloves, please. In this container, there's lemon juice, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your honey, take some honey, take approximately 1 tablespoon, okay? What you're gonna do is gonna give it about maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey. I usually do like 1.5-ish, right? So just go like 1, and I pour it in like so. I know it looks like we're making a medicine, but it's not. Okay. I'm gonna use like approximately about 1 tablespoon of that, okay? Then you're gonna use some of your browning. You don't have to use this, you guys. My family's from the Caribbean, so usually when we go to the market, we go to the Caribbean market, or like I guess we also go to the international section of our grocery store, and we find this thing called browning. If you guys want to use like a substitute, it's caramelized sugar, brown sugar to be exact, but it's not like the brown color. It's literally like when you burn your sugar on the pan until it gets that dark color. That's literally what this is. There's absolutely nothing more to it. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of browning in here. Oof. Okay. Okay, good. That's good. That's good. Because you don't want to overdo it with browning, because sometimes browning will make your dishes bitter. You don't want to do that. I'm definitely gonna come back in here with the soya sauce. This is also another version that I always find in my international section, or because I go to the Caribbean store, this is the Caribbean version, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna go in again with about, this is about half a tablespoon. So this is what I'm doing. Okay. Oof. And the last thing that I'm gonna come in here with is some jerk seasoning, okay? You don't have to use Walker's Wood, but I personally like to use Walker's Wood because I think Walker's Wood just makes everything taste better, okay? I'm not promoting them. I'm just saying I do like their company better. All right, boom. This is what it looks like on the inside, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and take my little fork. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the Walker's Wood inside the mixture here. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do is I am going to mix them all together. I know it sounds weird, but like we're gonna mix it all together, okay? You're gonna see why in a little bit. I love that color. I love the way how it smells. It smells so amazing. The honey is just, oh, I want to add some more honey into it, but like, hold on. Ow, my baby! Give me a second, you guys. Perfect. Okay, we're also gonna need the star of the show, okay? Star of the show is gonna be salmon because we are making jerk salmon, okay? So I went to the fishmonger, or I went to the fish market, and what I did was I got some fresh salmon. I had it cleaned, well, like I had them chop it up and I cleaned it. Whew. Okay, so I usually clean my salmon or any fish that I use or cook. I usually try to cook it in like lemon juice. I don't know if it's a Caribbean thing, but it's just something that I do. So I cook my fish, I clean my fish with like lemon juice and just plain old water. And definitely, you know, I always like to run the water on it afterwards. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh, there you go. So I love to run, you know, the water on it afterwards so that it doesn't have like that weird flavor. I remember when I was in culinary school, I remember they told us that we can either use vinegar or we can use lemon to clean our products. So I mean, it really is depending on you how you want to do this, okay? Look at that piece of salmon. It is beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Okay, so let me just finish up here, and then I'm going to dry it off with a piece of paper towel. And then from there, we're gonna put our fixins on it, okay? All right. You're gonna also need this, okay? This is gonna help your seasonings taste very good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this into the pot. Remember we had our fire on low to medium heat. Or medium high heat rather. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna empty this out. Let that saute for a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna take some of my fish. Ooh, Lord. Take some for the fish, right? Let me take the salmon. Oh my God. I'll put the salmon. Okay. So in this pot over here, while the vegetables are steaming, this is actually some mashed potatoes, but I didn't really want to show you guys the process because I was going to take forever. Like first I had to boil the potatoes and I had to skim it, then I had to mash it up, put some water in it and some milk, make it fluffy. That's pretty much what a potato is, okay you guys? And that's what I did with this dish. While over here, I just have some medley in the pot right now, okay? That's it. Okay, that's what it looks like after everything is done. Yeah. Thanks so much, you guys. I really appreciated it, and I loved making this dish with you guys, and I love doing my makeup with you guys, okay? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. When you comment, like, and subscribe, it helps me know what you guys like to see so I can put forth much more content a lot faster, so that, when you like as well, you can also help the algorithm on my YouTube page, okay? All right, thank you so much. I love you. Bye. Wow, this is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Okay. Oh. Okay, there you have it, you guys. Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Huh?
That's good.